So what's up, guys? Here's the latest update on the game and kind of state of things in terms of the code and what we're doing in the back end to build out the core mechanics of the game. Currently, we have some code and we have a ring, but it's not really the real ring. It's just a mock-up or a fake ring, just so that we can use it as some sort of canvas to lay the players on. And what we have here or what I'm about to show you is just Aaron fighting Boris, and then I'll show you the state machine in terms of like actual code and what we're doing and how far we've progressed. But there's still a lot of work to do. There's still a couple of, I would say, a few more months of work to do. And mind you, we're doing this on the side, and we have other consulting and business obligations, but we're trying to like really power through the code and power through this game so you guys can get something to play with and so that we can play with it as well. But let me just show you what we're doing, and let me show you what it looks like right now. So here's the game, and hoping this is a good view of the actual code, even though it's probably not the best view because I'm literally holding a tripod to the iMac. This is basically our state machine, and these are the various states a player could get into during the fight. He can be idle, he can be entering the ring, he can be defensive, he can be punching, he could have gotten hit, he could have gotten knocked out, he could be getting up from a knockout, he could have been paused due to some external action or event like the referee calling for the players to stop fighting for any particular reason. One of the players got knocked out, the fight was, the round ended, that's the reason for pausing. And then there's a winning stance state where the player wins and it's called by the ref. He kind of struts around the ring and flexes his muscles a bit. So this is the code at a high level, even though I know this is not like something that's probably that legible on the screen, but it's kind of what we're working on. This, as you can see, there's not that much code in this one class because there's a heavy level of delegation, and we love delegating, and I love delegating and not having too much logic in one place. I like splitting it out into functional or logical, like boundaries or objects, so that I won't clutter these objects too much with too much logic and too much code. So I like distributing logic and I like just having a like high level of orchestration happening. And this state manager is pretty much an orchestration layer that just kind of manages and delegates and kind of like oversees all the states and kind of watches it, just like you would expect from a state machine or a state manager. Now, in the game, you'll see that we have over here, we have Boris and Aaron. And this is not really a real fight, it's just like me just playing around with the state machine and testing it. And in this particular gameplay that I'm going to show you, you're going to see Aaron kind of like standing in the middle and just walking in the ring and then getting knocked out by Boris. So if we take a look, we'll see Aaron's coming into the ring, bam, knocked out. So that's what's kind of looking like right now. That's just me testing that one aspect of the state machine and testing the mechanics of what I've done with Unity, etc. Boris is swinging like a madman, obviously, but that's because he doesn't have any logic. He's just been programmed to kind of just swing like a psychopath and knock out Aaron. So that's why he's continuing swinging. But obviously the game won't work that way once the logic is put in for the opponents, and some crazy algorithms are built to give you guys that really rough gameplay. So yeah, that's pretty much it for now. We look to give you more updates, and we're looking to really speed things up. We've just been kind of getting caught up in other stuff and kind of like working on this, but not really getting as much time as we would like. But we're working hard, and we're gonna get this game out ASAP. And we love the Vita, and we love the community, and we're gonna just work incredibly hard to give you guys the best gameplay ever, even if that means holding it a bit so that we don't give you guys crap or ship junk. We'll do that because we definitely don't want to diminish the experience you guys will have playing this game. So that's it for now. Catch up with you guys soon. Cheers.